The 2011 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard, with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, stability control, Bluetooth, remote vehicle start, cruise control, sunroof, tire pressure monitoring system. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.